In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BCC in Gmail. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be managing your email recipients with much more privacy and control. First, let's start by accessing your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper left corner and click on the Compose button. This will open up a new email window where you'll see the standard fields for recipients, subject, and message body. Now, focus your attention on the top header where you'd typically enter the email addresses of your recipients, labeled as to. To the right of this section, you'll notice a couple of options mentioned, CC and BCC. These stand for carbon copy and blind carbon copy, respectively. While CC allows all recipients to see each other's email addresses, BCC keeps the recipients hidden from each other, providing an added layer of privacy. When you're ready to include recipients without displaying their emails to everyone else, simply click on the BCC button. This action seamlessly opens up a new field below the To section. Here, you can type in the email addresses of all the additional recipients you wish to conceal. Enter as many emails as needed, separating them with commas, or better yet, pressing Enter after each one to neatly organize them. This BCC feature is incredibly useful for group emails where privacy is a concern. Perhaps you're sending out invitations, newsletters, or updates and want to maintain confidentiality regarding your email list. It helps keep your communication professional and respectful to your contacts' privacy. Once you've added all your desired BCC recipients, proceed with crafting your email just as you normally would. Fill out the subject line and enter the main body of your message. You might want to double-check that your primary and BCC recipients are both correctly inputted to avoid any accidental omissions or inclusions. After reviewing everything, feel free to click the Send button, confident in the knowledge that your email has been dispatched correctly, keeping the BCC recipients undisclosed to one another. Your message will appear in each recipient's inbox without revealing who else received the email. And there you have it. By using the BCC field in Gmail, you can effortlessly manage your email correspondence with enhanced privacy, ensuring that all of your recipients' addresses are kept discreet and secure. Whether for work, personal use, or any other scenario, knowing how to use this feature effectively helps streamline your communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.